Hi guys, welcome back to Raising Talent, and today we're going to be making slime. Think Talent.
Oh yes.
So while I was in the store, I saw these little slime kits by Elmers glue, and so we're going to try those out. I'm going to do color changing, and Talon is going to do glow in the dark. Hey. So I'm gonna have to. It has this magical liquid that it comes with. It comes in a kit together. So the glow in the dark slime activator comes together, and then the color changing glue and the magical liquid comes together. And then we have 2 containers to put our slime in after we're done. We have our bowls, and we have our popsicle sticks.
Yes.
Ready to make slime? It says pour out the entire contents of the 5 fluid ounce Elmer's glue into a bowl. So we're going to start with mine, and we're going to pour this whole thing out into the bowl.
The bowl.
Ooh. Teaspoon at a time into the mixture and mix it up. It's getting thick. And ew, Day. I don't think this is what it's supposed to be like.
It's
supposed to be slime, but it's looking like, I mean, we tried. I don't know what this is. It's definitely a sticky mess. It's a fail.